Deeds sound louder than words. One who works less and talks high seldom accomplishes anything. Like a daydreamer, he plans big things, makes big noise without even doing the groundwork. His attempts prove nothing more than building castles in air. Your plans should be realistic. You should set feasible goals and put in best of your efforts, reasoning and labor to fulfill the task at hand. Planning does not mean sheer imaginations driven by ambitions. It requires thoughtful vision and study of different dimensions of the work involved, analysis of your own capacity and social, mental, economic status, circumstances, etc. Impatience and short sightedness should be avoided. At the same time, the objectives should not be for such a long term that their completion would remain only a futuristic idea. You should rely the most upon your wisdom, self efforts, assiduity, and zeal rather than others' support. Beware of complaisance and also of unnecessary fear, else, you will end up overestimating or undermining your potentials. Well planned endeavors initiated after taking care of all aspects would ascertain envisaged success. Akhanda Jyoti, March 1956.